Alright guys, what is up? Today we're looking at TikTok, and you can thank me already. I downloaded the app, I've looked at the app, I got all the advertisements for weeks and weeks and weeks on my Instagram, on my YouTube of these terrible musically looking ads. As I also get those awful Vine compilations on my YouTube, I figured it must be like the new Vine. I was actually kind of excited, I was hopeful. So I downloaded it, and it is not what I wanted it to be, but today we're going to divulge and take a look at it. Robert has not seen any of it yet. First, I'm just going to explain my experience with it. I got the app and I wanted to use it, and I opened it and I couldn't figure out why, but everything was a voiceover. Every single video on there seemed to be a voiceover for some reason.
Oh, you're with her now? Okay.
You sure you want to do this, little girl? I mean, what if...
When he sees how I really look, he's gonna be disappointed.
It turns out that apparently Musical.ly was taken down, and this is their partner or something like that. So basically Musical.ly wasn't taken down, it turned into TikTok, but it's like, I'd say 6 times worse than Musical.ly in my opinion, personally. But we're going to take a look at it today and get your opinions on everything. The first thing I noticed was the weird tattoo trends on there. And this might be on Instagram too, and I just don't pay attention. But it's just very strange. People really feel like they have to show off their tattoos. There's younger kids on this app for some reason, and they draw Sharpie all over their arm to make it look like tattoos.
Hey girl, you like me a little bit?
No, I don't even like you a little bit.
Come on girl, you like me a little bit.
Not even a little bit.
Wait, don't you like me a little bit?
Ew, I don't even like you a little.
I just like...
What is the purpose of, like, I don't...
What is the purpose? What is the
don't
purpose?
even
I would
know.
love to know, because I don't get it. Like, he just drew Sharpie all over his arm. That's it. So I found those and I was like, these kids are young though. So I was like, can I really roast these kids? Absolutely I can. I feel like I'm in that position. I don't know.
Okay, but what is going on with the split screen?
Okay, the split screen is the duos I was telling you about.
But like, okay.
So if you watch this one, we'll watch this one through, and then you can tell me what you think.
Okay.
Aren't you forgetting something? My t-shirt.
Your t-shirt, right, I'm sorry.
Ow!
What?
Jesus, woman, I was kidding.
So I should...
Just get out, dork.
Okay, yeah.
What was that? What is... Like, I stamp. I don't get it. I don't understand the duo thing, but it's very popular.
Is it...
Insanely popular on this app.
It just seems like really... It's just like a plug for like kids with really shitty acting and really shitty tattoos.
So then I found this one.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, you know, this is kind of cool. Someone making somewhat original content. It's kind of nonsense, but like, okay.
What? No? Not by you? I ain't say that. No, you don't. To pay the rent.
So I was like, okay, you know, good on her. She's hustling. Like, it was a dumb bit, but like, at least she did it herself. At least she actually put an effort and was like, Kiki, what? Do you love me? No? Was there hope? Because then I found this one.
Okay.
What? No?
Same exact audio.
No.
So it's she could have made it original. It was so easy.
No.
It was in grasp. Like, it sounded like her voice, so I am impressed. I guess that's the whole point of the app, right?
My
That it's supposed
impression
to sound
so
like 'em?
far is it's just kind of a bad Musical.ly. I mean,
Yeah,
it's just a bad Musical.ly.
Yeah, it's just a bad.
honestly.
Yeah, that is more or less what it is. Oh man, buckle in for this one, boy. We're gonna enjoy this one together. This is probably just the worst one I think I found, but it's
Wezzy Daddy 2.
It's Wezzy Daddy 2.
Let's go, Wezzy
And
Daddy.
You can tell already at 0-0 he goes in.
Let the shadows fall behind you.
The tattoo.
Oh!
Yes! Yes! You give me, yeah, you look right. Get those glasses on.
Let the shadows fall behind you.
It's so right.
Dude.
It's so,
Dude.
just, what were you thinking?
What
were you
The
thinking?
hat was some next level shit. I was really liking that.
You're
The
welcome.
glasses. I honestly
you know
just
what?
did not understand the point of that either.
But now you do, and it's just, it was so strange.
But it was
right?
good. It was better than what we've seen so far. It's looking up.
That one was probably, honestly, that would make me want to keep the app.
I
more
feel
than
like I'd
anything. That one
rather
was
just
funny.
see some just like weird shit.
That
like
one was funny,
on
though.
this app.
He went in on it. He definitely had some emotion on it. I felt it for sure.
Oh, yeah.
So Wezzy Daddy, shout out to you. That was
Wezzy Daddy
sweet,
too.
The next trend I found is so I listened to Falling in Reverse back in the day. I listened to this song when it came out. Have you ever heard it? Bad Girls. So what are good girls? You've probably heard it.
Have.
And I used to listen to it when it came out. I thought that thing was so sick, man. I remember the music video where they got Ronnie Radke and the guy pulls up on the bike in the yard and everything. I used to love this song. And now it is a terrible trend on TikTok or Musical.ly.
Oh, bother.
So, just it's supposed to be like one of those like reaction ones where the person that duos is like, whoa. So you can tell already he thinks he's the coolest two-wheeler on TikTok that's ever existed. For sure he thinks he is.
Yeah,
For sure he thinks he is. And I know why. Keep watching. Yeah! Yeah! Look at that man! Charged up, dude. Charged up. He was he was like, I'm sideways, dude. He was really happy.
He was getting it though.
He was, honestly.
He was getting sideways. Is it supposed to be like he's like hard because he's two-wheeling on a four-wheeler? So
Is that
like
the
he gets
bad
girls?
boy? Is that why he's a bad boy? See, it leaves a bad
cringe.
taste in your mouth. Man. It does.
I do have a bad taste in my mouth.
And that, honestly, if you're thinking about downloading it, download it if you like cringe compilations. These are some of my favorites. These are just ones that I probably little kids, but these are like really poorly timed duets. Like they want it to. You'll see what I mean.
All right,
let's watch a couple.
You're with her now? Okay. I guess I'll just have to show you what you're missing. There's so much wrong there, dude. Like, for one, he's definitely at least 19, and she's like
less
13. Than 15, less than 15 for sure. But the reaction just cracks me up. Watch that guy again.
What you're missing. What you're missing.
Yeah, this is sort of a little
strange. Sort of a little bit of a strange app to have on your phone, because like people that don't know and they're just going through your phone and they find that, they'd probably be a little more sus about that than anything else, because they're like, what is this weird application?
Questionable.
Where is the effort? Where is the effort?
Come on,
like,
man. Come on, guys. Like, need some. We're putting work out here, and then
did you see that? Did you see Wezzy Daddy? The Wezzy Daddy one?
Honestly, that one Wezzy right. Daddy is the most fire one we've seen so far.
That one looked right. I was liking that one. Like that was gas.
I guess I'm still just having the hardest time figuring out like why people would want to download this app.
So they also do this crazy thing where they do those same reaction ones, except the person just like freaks out and they jump over a couch or something like that when it's like when the drop hits or whatever, like when it's the reaction time. Okay. So this, we have an officer of the law in uniform making a TikTok.
We got an op here. Like I'll humor it. All
right, we'll humor it.
I guess I'll just have to show you what you're missing.
Why was that his reaction? That he was just like, "Whoa, I gotta dip.
I gotta leave my car really quick."
She looks so good. Why? So there's a lot. Oh, this one. Oh, this is the worst timed one ever. This one, I honestly, when I'm falling asleep at night, I think of this one because it's so funny to me, because it's like so easy to do. It's so easy to make these things. Like, how do you not line them up correctly?
Are you sure you want to do this, little girl? I mean, what if we're dangerous?
Yes, I am.
The timing
video was so it was just awful. Like when it dropped, you couldn't even see her. Like, her hand was still in the camera.
Nothing changed, right? All it says is, "I didn't want to fix my hair. Get over it."
Are you sure you want to do this, little girl? I mean, what if we're dangerous?
Yes, I am.
I just like there is a lot of strange trends on this app, but it is kind of entertaining. Like obviously you can see, I went deep. I did
You
the book
really
research.
did do the
I
work.
really
You
did do
did
the
the work.
research on this.
Yes.
Oh man, the last funny trend I want to talk about is all the country boys on here.
Oh,
There's mad country boys. It's
See,
really strange.
Maybe the country boys are gonna take it home for us. I don't know.
I'm sad to say I've seen the videos.
Am I gonna be disappointed?
they do not take it home for us. Like, what if their coworker found this and they're like, "Hey, what's up, bud? What's this TikTok?" And like I don't know, man.
Look at my
Like
my sister
just
on
when
here.
you're watching some of these, just keep that in mind that they go to work and like people see them and then they come home and do this. Like, very strange stuff going on here.
Oh hey, boy with your hat back, I kinda like that. If you wanna walk my way, I'ma shoot you straight up. Show me what you're made of. I don't have to.
Puts the board on.
Like, just looking at the camera, yeah, just. What are you doing? Like, that's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah.
how do they get away with this? Like, they
I
go
don't
to
know,
work
man.
and like, if any of their coworkers found them, it would be Pound Town 9000 for
Alright,
sure. They
So
would
we
be-
got like the emo kids with the
we do got
tattoos.
the emo kids. We definitely
we
got
got
the emo kids.
we got the country people. They're just the country people. I don't know which one's weirder. I can't tell. I can't figure
Oh, there's
it out.
more still.
Oh man, we're still
Oh,
going.
dude, this one's crazy. Buckle in for this one. This one's insane. You're not ready.
Yeah.
Here comes the next contestant. Is that your hand on my girlfriend? Is that your hand?
I love that. I love that. He didn't have time to take off the hat. This man just. Is that your hand on my girlfriend?
So swole!
I'ma shoot you straight up. Show me what you're made of. I don't have.
Ah, that's it.
That's it.
There wasn't
Dude,
much
I was
there.
cranking to that though. Honestly, that one got me.
This one's funny, but I want to see if you catch the same thing that I caught.
Okay.
So we'll see.
We'll see.
You sure you want to do this, little girl? I mean, what if we're dangerous?
Sees a hot girl, he's like, "Oh my god!"
He's just no. But like, is he barefoot though? Why is he barefoot?
I mean,
Like, we're in my house wearing socks.
there's a
right
lot of questions about this video, but
That
yeah,
one's
the
a weird
barefoot
one.
is
now. That one
it
is a
big
big one for sure.
for sure.
Oh hey, boy with your hat back, I kinda like that. If you wanna walk my way, I'ma shoot you straight up. Show me what you're made of. I don't have to.
My hat's backwards? Me, boy with the hat back? That's me? Like, head ass, bro. You know your hat's backwards.
Oh,
like, you
man.
set the camera up, and you're like,
I put my hat on backwards today.
me with the hat backwards? Like,
Yeah,
I haven't made one of them, by the way.
maybe.
I have not.
I think
made
we're gonna
an
have to
account.
start making some backwards hat compilations or something.
Okay, backwards
Yeah.
hat compilations?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. Backwards fedora.
backwards
That's
hat
the same
compilations.
thing.
Backwards hat
Wait,
compilations.
maybe this is the new thing.
It's kind of tight.
You
You
think
look like
this
Bruno
is?
Mars. If you guys don't subscribe to our channel already, we mainly do car stuff, but I guess we'll probably do more like
Yeah,
this.
if you guys want to see more like this, I mean,
Yeah, this was fun.
Yeah, may as
so,
well.
I mean, this app is just a once in a lifetime opportunity to make fun of it. So, I mean, can't say no to that. But we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.